Today we're making 3 dollar store Halloween crafts that are so easy, even the kids can do it.
Before we get started, make sure to hit that red subscribe button.
And if you like Halloween crafts, give this video
a big thumbs up.
Now let's get started. First up, Mackenzie and I are going to be making some really fun Halloween wreaths. These are super cute and they only cost about $4 to make. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, so here's what you're going to need. We're starting with a metal wreath ring, just like this from the Dollar Tree. We're also going to be using these really large, sparkly bows. And these are sort of a bendable plastic material with glitter. Then we're also going to be using lots of fun garland. And we each have 2 strands. Okay, Mackenzie, so I'll go ahead and make the first one and I'll kind of show you how to do it, and then you can make yours.
Okay.
I'm gonna start by taking all of the tags off of my materials. Now for the bow part, it's important that you keep the little wire because we're gonna be using that to attach it to our wreath, so don't throw the wire away. Now basically what we're going to do is we're gonna use half of this garland on half of our wreath form, and then the other half will go over here. Really simple and easy. So I'm gonna take the end of my garland and I'm just gonna take a little bit of tape. This is invisible tape. And I'm just gonna start by taping the end. You're not gonna end up seeing this when you're done. I'm gonna tape it to the edge of our wire form so it's nice and secure, just like that. And now it's just as simple as weaving it in and out around our wire form. I'm gonna go from here to here. Okay, so I've made it around half of my wreath and it's already looking really fun and furry. So now I'm just gonna take this end. I'm gonna take a little bit of our tape and just secure it. Secure the end to the back of the wreath. Now I'm gonna repeat this process on the other half of our wreath using our other garland. This is so easy, I love it. I love easy crafts, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, again, we're just gonna take the end of our wreath, it's kind of hard to see here, the end of our wreath and tape it to the back.
It's clear tape so then nobody will know that we taped it.
That's right, you can't even see the tape.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm just gonna fluff it out.
Now what are you gonna do with the bow?
Okay, so now it's time for our bow. Now you can put this anywhere you want. We're gonna use these wires to actually wrap it around and then twist it onto the back. So that would be really cute. Or it could be on the side or this side. I don't know that I'd put it at the top, although you could put it at the top, that would be fine. But I think I'm gonna put mine on this side right here.
Cool.
Okay, just like that. And now I have a super cute Halloween wreath that only cost $4. Okay, now this part is totally optional, but if you'd like to, you can take a little bit of ribbon. I found this one at the Dollar Tree as well, and you can create a little loop for the top of your wreath to hang it on your door or wherever you want to hang it. Now, if you wanted to, you definitely could embellish this further. You could add things along here. You could add a string of lights. That would be really pretty. But for $4, this is pretty cute.
Yeah.
Now, are you ready to make yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, there you have it. Both of these wreaths turned out so cute. Next up, Jackson and I are going to be making some monster pumpkins with lots of googly eyes. Now this project only costs about $3 to make, and of course it's super easy. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, so here's what you're going to need. We're starting with some carvable pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to be using an entire package, or almost an entire package of googly monster eyes. Now these monster eyes come in all different colors. We have blue eyes and purple eyes and yellow eyes. And to attach these to our pumpkin, we're going to use some glue dots, also from the Dollar Tree. Now this actually only has 36 in here, so if you want to use the whole package of googly eyes, you're gonna need 2 of these. So if you've never used glue dots before, you peel off the paper and you're left with a little dot of glue. So all you have to do is take this off, hopefully, and then you're gonna take your glue dot, stick it on the back of your googly eye, and these glue dots are really strong, surprisingly strong. And then you're just gonna put eyes all over your pumpkin, because this is a monster pumpkin, so it has a lot of eyes. Now you could put your eyes all the way around your pumpkin. I'm actually just gonna keep them in this area, and I'm gonna draw a little mouth right here. Do you wanna draw a mouth on yours?
Yeah, but can I do my own?
Yep. Do you think he should be a happy monster or a scary monster?
Happy.
A happy monster? Okay. So I'm gonna do a mouth like this. Okay, there's my little monster mouth. Okay, we're all done. Are you ready to show your pumpkin?
Yeah.
They turned out so cute. Look at that little monster pumpkin. What do you think, Jackson? Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is super fun. Yeah. Now last up, Lily and I are going to be making some really awesome luminaries. This is a very simple project, but probably one of my favorites because I just love how they turn out. And there's so many possibilities. This project cost about $3. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Now for our luminary mason jars, here's what you're going to need. I'm starting off with these really cute mason jars that are actually candle holders from the Dollar Tree. But if your Dollar Tree doesn't have this kind, you can go ahead and just use a regular mason jar. And you're gonna want the ring part as well, just like that. Next, you're going to need some Halloween socks. You can use any kind that you like, but I think that the ankle length is perfect for this size mason jar. And I really like the house one, because as the light shines through, it looks like the house is lit up. It's really cool. Now you can use a longer sock, but you're only gonna see about half of it. This luminary right here has this sock on it, but only half of it is showing. And you're also going to need some little tea lights. These are also from the Dollar Tree, and you're gonna need 1 per luminary. Now this part is optional, but if you'd like, you can go ahead and decorate with a little bit of ribbon on the top of your jar. It just makes it look a little bit more festive and fun. Okay, Lily, go ahead and pick which sock you wanna use.
This one.
You want this one? Oh, good choice. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and you actually only need 1 of these socks per jar. Why don't you do that one, and I will do this one. That way I can show you how to do it, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking the ring and the candle holder part out of our mason jar. Now, Lily, can you turn yours upside down?
Yeah.
And upside down. Very good. Now take your sock, open it up, and just like you're putting a sock on a foot, you're gonna put it on the jar. Just like this. So she has her sock on there and I have mine on there. And with the excess part of the sock, we're just gonna tuck it right in. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get our lights ready, okay? So I'm gonna open this up. Now the important thing about this project is you want these little battery operated tea lights that don't get hot. You do not want to use a real candle for this at all. Otherwise, your sock might catch on fire. So definitely use these guys. So now we're gonna take our tea light and stick it in here. Now if your mason jar doesn't have this, just go ahead and take your candle and put it down at the bottom. Now we're gonna go ahead and stick this down in our mason jar. And even though our sock is hanging over, that's totally fine. You can still actually screw it shut. And you're not gonna really see that part of it. It's gonna be more like that. Okay, now, do you wanna add some ribbon?
Yeah.
All right, here's mine. Oh, I love yours. Yours is so cute. Was it really fun and easy?
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay, friends, we hope you liked this video.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.